Roblox down. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So in this video I want to talk with you about Roblox. I went already on my Roblox app on my phone, and at the top, as you can see, we have an error. So it says, we are aware that some players are having issues loading avatars. Our team is actively working on it. Thank you for your continued patience. So this is the error right now. If you try to go to your favorite browser on Google, and then if you type in Roblox down, and then if you go to the first site, you will see that over 5,000 reports in the last 24 hours had been reported. Most reported problems are the gameplay, server connection, and website. Also, if you scroll, you will see some comments from people who also have this problem. So make sure to check on those if you do have this problem. You can comment in the comment section down below. You can like this video and subscribe to our channel. So to fix this, you just have to wait until they fix this problem. There is nothing you can do, unfortunately. You just have to wait until they fix it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.